Okay, we've got a Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG coupe, door ding in the quarter panel. Really bad spot to get a ding. It's right by the driver's door, so every time the owner of this car gets in, he has to look at that super annoying door dent. He brought it to us, tried to remove it with no paint. So doing some exploring, I found perfect access right here. Pulled back that rubber seal, I've got a little slot. I can slide a hand tool in and get to the back side of that metal. I'm using an ultra hand tool right here with an adjustable handle. And I'm right on the back side of that dent, just slowly, methodically, pushing from the underside, sculpting the metal back to its original shape. A little bit of knockdown work, smooth it out, and it's done. Door ding fixed in about an hour. No body work, no paint, good as new. Thanks for watching.